Hey Ali, I've been following you for a long time now. What is it that you do exactly? I'm very curious. This is a question I get asked often, and it's probably a good time for me to address it. So basically, I've partnered with a tech company that teaches people how to turn a profit in the financial markets using semi-automated and automated systems, as well as education. And I got started trading back in 2016. I started with the crypto and forex markets, and really when I started trading, probably like a lot of you, I was trading my time for money, working 60 plus hours a week. I was severely overworked and severely underpaid, and the equation just didn't make sense. So I decided that I wanted to put my life in control, and I learned how to trade in the financial markets. And basically the platform I've partnered with has made it super easy for the person who knows absolutely nothing about trading to get started by leveraging our AI tools to help them win. Example, we offer an entire trading academy, which will teach you from beginner to intermediate to advanced levels of education for you to actually learn the skill set. We also give you the ability for you to leverage our copy paste feature, where you will actually get trade ideas directly from our 6 and 7 figure traders, and you basically just copy and paste those into your trading terminal. The reality is, if you could order pizza online today, you could trade in the financial markets, copy and pasting and trade ideas. We also offer dynamic market scanners that will scan the markets for you, do all the heavy lifting, and give you trade ideas that you could also then copy and paste into your trading terminal in order for you to win. And my most favorite product that we have here is our tap to trade product. This has made trading so easy. My mom is trading in the forex markets right now, and basically if you can open a notification, you can trade forex. The reality is our mobile application will send you a push notification saying, hey, so and so sent a tap to trade, a TTT. You click on that alert, and it basically brings you to an approval process where you basically just click approve and you enter the trade. You don't need to know how to open the position, close the position. You don't even need to know if it's a buy or a sell. You just click approve, boom, you're in the markets, which is really amazing. And we also offer dynamic crypto trading with our crypto educator, Armin. And you'll also get access to our proprietary crypto systems as well when you partner with us. And one big question I always get asked is, Ali, how do I fund my trading account? And most people don't have the capital to actually fund their trading account, and that's okay, because what we've done is we created a strategic partnership with a prop firm called TradeX Mastery. If you don't know what a prop firm is, it's basically a two-step evaluation process that tests your trading skills. And if you do well, you will get $10 to $200,000 to trade with, leveraging other people's money. Now, every single person who joins AkashX gets a gift challenge account in order for you to trade in the financial market. So you don't even have to dig deep into your pockets to actually get your trading account started. You just leverage our tools in our system to pass your challenge account, and boom, you'll be a funded trader. And the good thing is we have tons of success stories. Like, I'm a big believer that documentation beats conversation all day long. Take a look at all these incredible payouts from thousands of students all across the world, which make things really exciting. So how do I get started? You could start with our monthly membership. You get access to everything I mentioned. It's $179 to start, $149 a month, and you get a $10,000 challenge account to trade with. If you want to get started the right way, you can start with the $14.99 annual package, pay for the year, no subscription, and you get $200,000 in capital to trade with. And then once you get started, we onboard you with a step-by-step process that makes it super easy for you to get started. So if you're watching this video, and you're curious about what I do and you want to get started, go ahead and DM me start. I'll send you the link. Send me a screenshot of you enrolling, and I'll put you in all our groups and start your onboarding process. We'll catch you on the next one.